Alex, you look frustrated.
I am. My phone and I had a very bad week.
That sounds serious.
It was. I almost threw it out the window.
Well, I'm glad you didn't. Tell me everything. Hello, everyone. Welcome to English at the Corner Café. I'm Sam.
And I'm Alex. Today, I'm going to tell you about my phone problem.
A very modern problem.
Yes, too modern. We all depend on our phones so much these days.
That's true. So, listeners, grab your coffee, get comfortable, and let's hear what happened to Alex's phone. Okay, what happened exactly?
It started last Monday morning. My phone battery suddenly died.
Died completely?
Completely. It was at 60% and then black screen, just like that.
That's very strange. Batteries don't usually die at 60%.
I thought so too. I tried charging it immediately. Nothing happened.
No charging light? No vibration?
Nothing. It was like holding a dead brick.
Maybe the charger was broken.
That's what I thought. So I tried another charger. Still nothing.
That's when you knew it was serious.
Exactly. And then I started to panic a little.
Why panic?
Because I realized I couldn't call anyone. I couldn't check my messages. I couldn't look at my calendar. I felt completely disconnected from the world.
That's stressful. We really do rely on these devices.
Very stressful. I didn't even know my sister's phone number by heart. Everything was stored in my phone.
That's a common problem these days.
The next day, I went to a phone repair shop near my apartment.
What did they say?
The technician took one look at it and said, interesting. We need to run some diagnostic tests.
That never sounds good.
No, it doesn't. So I waited. After about 15 minutes, he came back with a serious expression.
And?
He said, your battery is actually fine. The problem is the software. It's corrupted.
Software problems can be tricky to fix.
Exactly. He explained that sometimes updates go wrong or apps conflict with each other.
So what did he suggest?
He suggested doing a factory reset. That means erasing everything and starting fresh.
Did you agree to do it?
I didn't have much choice. I needed my phone working again, so I said yes.
And then?
Then he did the reset right there. The phone turned on. Everything seemed fine at first.
At first?
Then I realized something terrible. All my photos were gone.
Oh no.
5 years of photos. Birthdays, vacations, moments with friends. All gone.
Alex, that's heartbreaking.
I just sat there in the shop, staring at the empty photo gallery. I couldn't believe it.
Did the technician try to help?
He felt bad. He asked if I had backed up my photos anywhere.
And had you?
Luckily, yes, some of them. About half were automatically backed up to the cloud.
That's a relief at least.
Yes, not all of them, but the most important ones were there. My mom's birthday party last year, my trip to the mountains, things like that.
So you recovered something?
I did, but I still lost hundreds of photos. It taught me a very important lesson.
What lesson?
Always back up your data. Don't wait. Don't think I'll do it later. Do it now.
That's excellent advice. I should probably check my backup right after this episode.
Yes, you should. Trust me, you don't want to go through what I went through.
I can imagine. So is your phone working well now?
Yes, perfectly. But now I back up my photos every single week. I set a reminder on my calendar.
Smart move. All right, everyone, let's review some useful phrases from today's episode. These are great expressions for talking about technology problems.
First phrase, my phone died.
This means your phone stopped working suddenly. You can also say, my laptop died, or my car battery died.
Next phrase, the battery wouldn't charge.
This means you tried to charge it, but it didn't work. Wouldn't here shows something you tried but failed.
Another useful one, I lost all my data.
Data means your digital information, photos, contacts, messages, documents, and files.
Important phrase, the software is corrupted.
Corrupted means damaged or not working properly. We use this word specifically for digital files and programs.
Next one, I had no choice.
This means there was only one option available. You couldn't do anything else.
And the last phrase, luckily I had a backup.
A backup means you saved a copy of your information somewhere else, like on the cloud or an external hard drive. This is very, very important.
Please, everyone listening, back up your phones tonight.
Excellent advice. Alex, looking back, what would you do differently?
I would set up automatic backups from day one, not just for photos, but for everything.
That's wise. And listeners, let me ask you something.
Yes, think about this question. When was the last time you backed up your phone?
If you can't remember, maybe it's time to do it today.
Your future self will thank you.
Thanks for listening to English at the Corner Cafe.
Next time, we'll talk about a travel disaster, missing a train in a foreign country.
Oh, that one still hurts, doesn't it?
It really does. But it's a good story.
We'll share it soon. Until then, everyone, take care of your phones.
And back up your data.
Goodbye, everyone.
See you next time.